Alright, pretty easy to remove the original jumpers, add new jumpers in. A lot of people do these. Sometimes they're skeptical. Some people call it snake oil. But sometimes these, pull out these bananas. Sometimes these jumpers that the speakers originally come with, sometimes they're just not that great. And the conduction through here can be slow and add some issues to the sound. So I have Canary 4S11 cable speakers, so I order the exact same in my jumpers. Pretty simple to do. I use spade to spade if I'm going to be using the bananas that are going in. So just connect the positives, just like this, and then connect the negatives. These are 24 karat gold spades. Pretty simple. Tighten these suckers down pretty good. And reconnect your bananas. Just like that. Pretty easy. Now, may not make a difference at all, but you just don't know how bad these are. And the conduction through here, again, some people call these jumpers snake oil, like they don't really help, but a lot of the audiophiles out there swear by them. So you can either get like 6-inch or 8-inch jumpers. Primarily you want to get the same cable that you're using, so I'm using the Canary 4S11 cable. So that's what I got here for my jumpers. And you can kind of loop them around however you want, just so they're out of the way when you turn the speaker around. Alright guys, simple as that. Thanks.